this exercise, we are going to try to see if we can get our abs to engage. And we're going to use a big ball like this, a big Swiss ball underneath our feet. The goal of this is to get the hamstrings to really work and the abs to work. So as you pull the ball towards you, we're going to attempt to try to push our back flat. Now, if we're pushing our back flat, we're going to find that our pelvis is tilting, like the tailbone of our booty is coming up towards the ceiling and the top of our pelvis is going towards the floor. And our top and our bottom of our rib cage right here is going to be coming down towards the floor as well. You're going to know you're doing that appropriately because as you do that motion and your abs kick in, you're going to be able to feel them actually kick in underneath your fingers if you're holding there. So to do the exercise, step one is we're going to go ahead and we're going to try to roll the ball towards us. When we do that, we want to keep our feet straight up to the ceiling. And as we roll, we're really going to try to bring our feet towards our booty so that we feel our hamstrings really far behind the legs. When you're doing this, I want you to think, I want my back to go straight down to the floor, tuck my rib cage down so that I can feel my abs fire. And if you need to, what we're going to do is take our hands and we're going to lightly push right here on the tops of our thighs close to our knee. And as we do that, I can feel my abs kick in just a little bit more. My low back's getting a little bit of stretch, and that's how I know I'm doing it correct, is I feel my low back stretching and I feel my hamstrings kicking in as I push here. You can also exhale at the same time that you're doing this exercise, and that'll help with your abs firing. So we're gonna do a couple of these together. You're going to try to give yourself a little bit of a rib cage tuck, push the back flat. We're gonna go ahead and roll the ball towards us, keeping the toes up towards the ceiling. Try to bring your heels towards your booty so you feel the hamstrings kick in. And then exhale as you do this, pushing with your hands into the top of the thighs. And then you're gonna go ahead and let the legs go, hands down and relax. Again, the back goes flat just a little bit. We're gonna roll the ball towards us, toes stay towards the ceiling. You can push down a little bit into the ball to engage the hammies a little bit more. If you feel more quads, make sure that you're trying to drive your heels towards your butt. Then take your hands, push them on the top of the thighs. As you exhale, bring the ball towards you. You should feel your abs kicking in, the hamstrings firing, and then relax. Last one, we're gonna push the back flat, roll the ball towards us, push the hands into the top of the thighs as we exhale. If you need to get a really good exhale to get the abs to fire more, you can do what we call pursed lip breathing, where you act like you're gonna blow up a balloon and blow out a lot of air. And what this will do is help you engage your abs to get your back flat a little bit more.